Go.
Go. No, 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 no.
Uh-oh. What are you gonna do, Caden? Oh, look at I thought it was gonna fall. All right, Caden.
Go ahead.
He's got a few left.
Yeah. Go slow. You can do it. Help? Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, put it on top. Go ahead. No, no, no. Put it on top.
Put it, Caden. The suspense is killing
He wants
him.
you to hold it. Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Do the next one. Whoa!
You got skills, son.
You got one more.
One more.
He said help, huh?
Yeah. Let him stand up, honey.
I got it.
I don't know. Will he be able to reach
Wait.
it?
Daddy's gonna help you.
Stand up. There you go.
Stay right there. Okay, go ahead.
This is a special occasion where you're standing on the table.
Careful, careful, careful. Let go.
All right, Caden.
Here, it's good now. Oh, look at that!
Caden's masterpiece. He's like, okay, I'm done. Wasn't that amazing?